What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the background wallpaper from your LinkedIn profile. All you have to do, click your profile in the upper left hand side, tap your profile there, and here you will see the current background on your profile. If you look near the background to the upper right hand side, there's a little blue plus. If you tap on that, you can easily go ahead and edit that cover, and once you click on that, you're able. Now how do you change it? You can simply choose to update the photo. If you tap on that, and you can easily select a different one. So I'm going to choose a different one. For example, let's choose this one here and just simply click and save. Now that's a way how you can do it. If you have something from your phone that you want to actually add, you can easily go ahead and change that as well. You have the option to literally delete it. So if you tap on delete, it's going to remove it entirely. And if you click that camera icon again on the upper side, you can easily go ahead and click and add the background, and at the top there you can choose upload photo. You can tap on that and you can choose to upload from your phone or from your computer. You can choose to take a picture or upload from your photos. It's really up to you, whatever you want to add. So if I want to add something from my phone, I can easily go ahead and do so. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just choose something randomly, and yeah, let's go ahead and choose something and just click and save. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and change the background or the cover image on your LinkedIn profile.